Hello there. Today, we're going to learn about the past continuous tense. This tense helps us talk about actions that were happening in the past. So, let's get started. When we talk about the past, we have two main tenses, the past simple and the past continuous. The past simple is like saying, I worked, and it's used for things that happened at a specific time in the past, like points on a timeline. But with the past continuous, it's different. It's like saying, I was working. We use it when we want to show that an action was ongoing, that it happened over a period of time. Let's look at an example. Imagine this is your day, and at 9 a.m., you started working. At 5 p.m., you finished. These are points in time. But with the past continuous, you'd say, I was working from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. This shows the action that was happening over that time. Now, let's learn how to create past continuous sentences. It's quite simple. We start with the subject, then add was or were, depending on the subject, and finally, we use the verb with ing. I was working. She was dancing. They were eating. For I, he, she, it, we use was. For you, we, they, we use were. Now that we know how to make positive past continuous sentences, let's also learn how to make them negative and ask questions. It's easy. To make a past continuous sentence negative, you just need to add not, after, was, or were. For example, I was not working, she was not dancing, they were not eating. You can also use contractions. Was not becomes wasn't, and were not becomes weren't. I wasn't studying, he wasn't playing, we weren't watching TV. Now, let's ask questions. To create a question in the past continuous tense, switch the places of the subject and was or were. Was I working? Was she dancing? Were they eating? Let's use a simple story to demonstrate the incorrect and corrected use of the past continuous tense. Once upon a time, I were walk in the park yesterday. Once upon a time, I was walking in the park yesterday. The error here is the use of were instead of was. In the past continuous tense, I, singular, should be paired with was. Was walking correctly indicates an ongoing action in the past. It was sunny, and I were enjoy the beautiful day. Again, the error is the use of were instead of was. For singular subjects like I, was, is the correct choice to form the past continuous tense. I were listen to my favorite music on my headphones, and I were feel so relaxed. I was listening to my favorite music on my headphones, and I was feeling so relaxed. They use was with the verbs listening and feeling to indicate ongoing actions in the past. Suddenly, my friend were call me on the phone. I were talk to her while I were walking. In the past continuous tense, called is the proper form for the verb call. They use was with the verbs talking and walking to describe ongoing actions in the past. But then, I were realize I left my backpack at the park bench. So, I were run back to get it. The error is using were when realized should be used. Realized is the correct past simple tense form to describe a single, completed action in the past. If you enjoyed learning about verb tenses, please like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful lessons. Your support means a lot to us.